what does it really mean to be, mentally healthy?
The thing is that if you look down at the history of psychology and psychiatry, almost every psychologist, Pallav, has their own definition of mental health and what mental well-being actually is. And I've had, through the course of my studies, I've also gone through many definitions of mental health and what mental well-being is. And I can tell you that it's quite difficult to actually define it, because there's so much going on in your mind, and there's so much going on in the human psyche and human behavior, that it's very hard to consolidate it into one perfect definition. But the one that I feel that is closest to in my experience, what I've seen with even patients and clients and in real life situations, is that mental well-being or mental health or being mentally healthy means that you have achieved a certain inner equilibrium. And the inner equilibrium comprises of three things. One is your cognitive skills, the other is your social skills, and the third is your interpersonal or relationship skills. So what happens is that if all of these three skills and all of these three parts or compartments of your life and your mind are functioning well, then you become a fully functioning member of society who is able to earn a stable livelihood and maintain close and meaningful healthy relationships. And when all of these three things in your life are going in a balance, then that is considered, according to me, as being mentally healthy. And once you achieve that inner equilibrium, it means that any event in your life, whether it is a happy event or a sad event, if, for example, in our current situation, this pandemic, it's a very difficult event, it's a negative event. If you are a mentally healthy person who has this inner equilibrium and you have achieved these three skills in your life, then you are able to handle every event in an equally effective manner, regardless of the nature of the event. If the event is negative, you're able to handle it. If the event is positive, you're able to handle it. And I think that is what it means to be mentally healthy, or that is what mental well-being is.